Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin, daily chart. Remember, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin at the end of this video. We're doing it again in a week. All you do for a chance to win $500 in Bitcoin, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. $500 in free Bitcoin. Boom, free money. Let's go. Bitcoin bulls not showing up. The daily chart, the bulls have been unable to break above the 200 simple, which is pretty much the bullish trend indicator when the price action is above it. It will definitely be big momentous occasion when the bulls can regain the 200 simple. We're going to zoom in. We're going to go to the 2-hour chart. It's been not really an eventful 24 hours. You know, Bitcoin's just really choppy. Broke below this resistance and looked like it wanted to put in a bounce and now getting rejected at this resistance level again. So, I mean, it's this simple. You've got, this is essentially your breakdown level, this previous breakdown. So this is strong overhead resistance. The bulls have to break above this $37,500 level to look for any type of continuation to the upside. A lot of people are talking about this triangle type pattern, which is valid. It's got plenty of touches, 3 on the bottom and 5 on top. And so what's interesting is Monday is a holiday in the United States. So basically the triangle will end before the work week starts back in the United States. And so a lot of times we see Bitcoin moves when that happens. So again, over the next 48 hours, potentially a little bit longer, looking for some type of move out of Bitcoin, at least an idea that will validate or invalidate this triangle. This is like a 1,000-piece puzzle that we're putting together. Every hour we get another piece, we get another candle, we get another candle close, right? So we're building this idea for Bitcoin. Bulls definitely have some work to do. However, if this triangle is a valid idea, you'd think that if this touches the bottom of the triangle and potentially the price action continues in the triangle. This real quick is the Bitcoin 30-minute chart. So this falling wedge broke out to the upside, retested, and then the bulls trying to put in some type of move higher. At this point, it's retracing. So again, bulls need to hold this level. Otherwise, the measured move here is 32,000, big picture, right? You don't want to get caught up staring at these really low time frames because there's not a whole lot going on right now, and a lot of it's insignificant. Work week starts back and institutions start making their trades, and the market changes quickly when the weekends are over. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person stated, I've locked down the profit of $7,000 during this time of uncertain Bitcoin direction. Still new, this person said, nailed this Matic oversold bounce. I knew to look for it yesterday on the pullback. This person stated, keep doing what you're doing. You've changed my life. Person made $88,000 in a day. Life-changing money. That's what this is about. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetimes. I can teach you, just like I've taught these brand new traders, how to take full advantage of the opportunities in front of us, whether the market's pulling back or pumping. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Here's some recent trades. We had Ren, boom, 41% gains. T-Fuel is one of the stronger setups right now, 20% gains after a breakout and retest. 38% profits out of Bakkt. 26% profits out of Dago. Everybody's talking about the Wyckoff accumulation phase now to a point where maybe it worries me because so yesterday's video we were talking about how this could be reaccumulation and a move to the upside, potentially a trend change and then continuation higher. When everybody's talking about a pattern, maybe they don't play out as well. So remember, what everybody else thinks is usually wrong. If you bet against everyone else, 70% of the time you're going to be right. And so if you're able to find any type of chat groups where everybody's, super bullish or super bearish, you can normally trade against the common ideas. But again, let's see and follow this Wyckoff reaccumulation idea to see if the bulls can put in an extensive move higher. But remember, this could take a month or more to play out. So shout out to Nick Hellman. He's got a YouTube channel. He stated on Twitter, he's like, you're getting bored and you're going to end up selling the low trying to get cute. Don't say I didn't warn you. A lot of times, people that came into this market and they bought at higher prices, you get this consolidation and you're like, what's happening? Like you've potentially taken a loss and then Bitcoin's doing nothing and you just get bored of it. And a lot of people sell, they capitulate. They're just like, I'm over with it. Keep that in mind. Of course, on YouTube, people are talking about these huge moves to the downside. And it's real tough. Trading is not predicting. Like, I'm not trying to call the home run shot in the 7th game of the World Series like Babe Ruth. It's not what I'm trying to do. But immediate plan of action would be to watch at some point we're going to get a significant bounce out of Bitcoin. And then does that bounce, do we see upside continuation or reversal ideas here could mean further drive lower, right? And we just have to leave it at that. Like people are calling for these super low prices and potentially things can happen, right? If you focus on what you're going to do and how you're going to react and have a plan on the Bitcoin moves in the short term, you'll be a lot more successful because time and time again, we see everybody trying to call the home run shot and they're wrong, right? So just remember, keep your head in the game and focus on what's happening on the near term price action. At some point, you're going to have a tremendous buying opportunity in this market. It's just going to happen, but you don't know where it's at. And so the way I recommend essentially scaling into these buys is, you just increase your buys on the way down, right? You don't want to start buying too early, but buying the dip is a lot easier strategy when the market's super bullish, right? Because the trend is super bullish. And so just be careful buying the dip with the way the current market is playing out. Today was just not very eventful. Here we are again, 3:40 in the morning, recording YouTube videos. And I'm on Kucoin, and I'm like, here it's Dogecoin, Mars, Elon USDT, and I'm like, man, they got a new coin on Kucoin, and I'm just thinking maybe I've done it all wrong. Maybe I'm focused on these coins with mainstream adoption ideas, these coins that are going to be super successful because they have real world value and fundamentals, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the top cryptos. Maybe I should have been focusing on these meme coins, and it had a 1,250% run up and completely sold off. You know how many people lost money in here? Tremendous amount. So just be careful. Like these crazy new coins, there's a hype factor to it, and what goes up comes down quickly, and it's very common for them to retrace. So, however, I'm sitting here editing this video, and Dogecoin Mars pumps 75%. Meme coin price action. Let's go. When FOMO kicks in, greed kicks in, mania kicks in, like you got to ignore these giant green candles. Like these coins, you really got to get in early. If you want to gamble, go to Vegas, period. FinCEN seeks presentation on zero knowledge proofs, other privacy tech for the September event. So FinCEN They're the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. Essentially, we saw moves out of Monero and Zcash. Potentially this based on this idea of privacy coins. Obviously governments want to do as much as they can to unravel how these privacy coin works so they can track everything. And so privacy coins saw moves higher today. One thing that's important to understand about Bitcoin is you have a long-term approach on Bitcoin and you're going to be successful. This is the realized market cap of Bitcoin from day one. No one has ever bought Bitcoin, ever, held it for 4 years, and lost money. So the question is, if you sustain some losses, are you in a position psychologically, financially, to hold through this pullback? Are you in that position? Because sky is the limit with the future of Bitcoin. People were talking about this chart earlier. I saw you had your same type of wave count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dip. This thing blasted off. Are we taking off here? Is this it? Right now, the bottom line is this. We need more of an edge, right? I can give you guys a lot of ideas that Bitcoin just hasn't given us anything that's bullish at this point. It's harder to build a bullish case than a bearish case right now, right? And so we're looking for clues and hints that this is this reaccumulation phase. And I'm going to keep you guys updated on this daily. Now, this is huge news. PayPal Bitcoin volumes hit a new record high, $300 million in Bitcoin. This is huge. This is a major jump from 80 million previous. People are buying the dip. A lot of people are talking about how all these options are ending in May. $3 billion worth of options are going to expire. Does this mean the rocket takes off in June? And it really goes both ways. Yes, you do see market movements based on this idea, but you also see a monthly candle close. So it's really hard to nail down exactly why these moves happen based on the idea that they're alluding to. So a lot of this news, what you'll find is it's noise. You can't worry about, or anticipate anything just based on these ideas, right? People are calling this the market reset, the great market reset, and then off to the races. Few $100,000 Bitcoin. And again, for your plan, you're golden. This market's going to take off, right? It's going to continue higher. Bitcoin, $100,000 Bitcoin, $200,000 Bitcoin, or higher. This is a total altcoin market cap, and it really looks a lot like Bitcoin. People are talking about how you could see some type of inverse head and shoulders type reversal pattern playing out, and potentially that's there. But again, you want to see the support level hold. It looks a lot like Bitcoin, and something like this could play out for Bitcoin as well, where this is the right shoulder creating this inverse type head and shoulders pattern. But again, the bulls really have to break 40,000 to even start talking about extensive moves to the upside. $500 in Bitcoin giveaway. Let's go. We're going to go with this video or date, and then we're going to choose this person right here. Karen Holyoke. Karen Holyoke, you win $500 in Bitcoin. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm editing this video. I just read the comment, and I'm thinking, dude, this is a freaking bot. What kind of freaking spammer wins the $500 Bitcoin giveaway? Let's do it over again. Here we go. Okay, $500 in Bitcoin giveaway. We're going to go with this video. Scroll down. We're going to pick this person right here. RJB. Early bird on this one. Looking forward to some bounce setups. Nice one, Chris. Leave your email address in this comment, and I'll send you $500 in Bitcoin. Boom, free money. Let's go. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.